Hi, I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi from Los Angeles. Today I'm going to tell you Carl's story. Carl has a very special characteristics that attracts you. You talk to him, you feel like you know him for a long time, and he's very open about his procedure, and he's willing to help other people who have the same condition to find a solution.
Hi everyone, my name is 𝘠𝘗𝘁𝘠. I am 37 years old. I live in Burbank, California, that's in the LA area, and I own a small business here in Burbank. And I have androgenetic alopecia, also known as male pattern baldness. That is why I chose to have a hair transplant. And I was losing hair mostly here, kind of all in the middle part, and also right here. So definitely, and I had a lot of thin hair too. The consultation went well, and I was very impressed with Dr. Mohebi and his staff, and so I chose to go with them.
So Carl had multiple procedures in past for a variety of different reasons, and he has a scar in his scalp, and on top of that he has male pattern hair loss, like recession of the corners, the crown and top are getting thinner. So we decided to give him a FUE procedure with something about 2,500 FUE procedure. It took about 1 full day in our office, which covered everything. We will see him again after procedure, the first day, and then a couple months after procedure, and then at 6 to 8 months we should be expecting to see full result.